In this week's I'm Glad You Asked, meteorologist Nikki-Dee's question comes from Conley in Williamson County. He asked, is there really such a thing as fake honey? Nikki-Dee explains how honey has a memory that's magical.
Conley, I am glad you asked. Yes, there is a difference between real honey and fake honey. But when I say fake honey, it's still honey-ish, and it definitely is a sweetener. It's just not made thanks to bees. But there's a fun way to actually check and see if it's real or not, and it's truly gonna amaze your friends. It's almost like a little magic trick. So what we need to do is have two types of honey. This particular one, we know one is real and one is fake. This one is the raw honey. This right here is agave. It's plant-based. But real honey has cellular memory, meaning it goes back to the shapes of a honeycomb. So all you have to do is have 2 plates or little bowls. I think bowls are easier. And we're gonna do some agave. We're gonna squeeze it right in the middle, just a little circle. Then we're gonna get some other honey and put it on in. Now, if you were to have honey that is not plant-based like agave, and it's another type, you can use that too, because if it's full of those syrups and the sugars, it's gonna do the same thing this agave will. So once you get your honey in, take some warm water, and you're just gonna pour it right on top of the honey. And then take it and just go in a circular motion. Real honey will have that cellular memory, and it's gonna go back and you'll see several hexagons within the honey itself. See, it's already beginning to work. It really is neat that it's able to go back to exactly what it looked like over in the honeycomb. Now, it's not gonna stay like that forever. You'll have to spin it again to watch it go back to those shapes, but it's something really neat to see. Now, when we have the agave, or maybe you have some fake honey, something that has a lot of sugar in it and those syrups, you're gonna put the warm water in it, and you already can tell what's happening. It's beginning to melt on in. That's the first time it's not real. And if you continue to do the circles, you don't get the hexagon shape, no matter how much you try. Yeah, you'll see some ripples in there, but as far as seeing a hexagon shape, it doesn't happen because it doesn't have that cellular memory. Pretty cool fact. Also, if you want to try, you can put it in just a little cup with some water in it. Honey is going to sink to the bottom. If it's fake honey or agave honey, it's going to mix in, very similar to what we have right here in the bowl. Conley, I'm so glad you asked. If you've got a weather question or maybe something to eat, just let me know. Email Nikki-Dee.ray@newschannel5.com.